सम्मान गार्ड बाजो श्रीमान आपके सम्मान गार्ड पर एक एबीआई आदर M31 ग्रांड होटल 32 आपका सम्मान गार्ड के लिए हाजिर है श्रीमान।
Hagatay kajingalang plithma ya MAWLAI Police Station kablalong khatsantarik urisau nalor upongsan ubade Director General of Police jong kajalla PJP Hanaman layadon langru UMLA kane kathan uba MBH lang simle UMDC uba PT Saukme uba SD Khongwer President MAWLAI Town Darbar kirangba shnong lembat secretary shnong jong ki darbar shnong bapher kashnong MAWLAI ki he pulit lembat kiwei ki nong shakhot snoma DGP kajalla PGP Hanaman haba ajingkran hakani kasni ulapan pau sya kinong song baki bor ka an kidon ka jingkhmu banya tere ringkat bat kisnong jong MAWLAI bat ulakin turu ekpulet ka MAWLAI station bakin ai ka jing sakri ka bahok ekipat ba kata ka long ban wanra ya ka jing song shingan hasnong athau bat kumjuru ban pet ya ka song suk song san.
I sincerely believe that irrespective of the leadership, motivation levels and professionalism which are all force multipliers for any police station, I think the effectiveness of MAWLAI is directly proportional to the support and cooperation that we receive from the community. And I am confident that because so many community leaders and Gangbash towns have come, I am hopeful that we can work together to make MAWLAI police station an effective institution in bringing about peace and security in this area, which is the gateway to Shillong, and also serve as a beacon to all other police stations of the district and of the state.
Uba PT Saukme ha ka jingkran jong ulapan pau ya ka jing khublai kerpang ya ka tanat pulet kabalala ban pinyo ya ka jaka songne ka papaka bat ulakin turu ya ki pulet bakin simkhalem ya ka dhengali kabalong ka bajor bah khamtam ha MAWLAI petrol pump bat MAWLAI madabaki nakaliang UMLA uba MBH imle ha ka jingkran ga jong ulai khublai kerpang ya ka tanat pulet kablayo ya ka ne ka slam kabalong kum ka wei na ki jing a jing shakri pat ba bakin turu ya ki pulet ka MAWLAI police station bakin a ka jing shakri ka bahok ya hipat ba kabanlong pat kaburam omtang ya katanat pulit henry wat ya ka jingide shimet ru ka jongki kumban chupin kemau ya ka police station lawan ra MAWLAI nadu ka sinem khat khandai spa phrapo hapo ka jingpet jong ka sadar police station badde ha ka atrik ujeliu jong usnem khat khandai spa khandai puar ba ka MAWLAI police station kalayo ban pentre kampura hala ka jong ka jingpet wat la ka hab ban chushimwa ya ka office la ka long habon ki benta jong ka shino MAWLAI Data hadu kan ni resmi ba ka MAWLAI police station kalayo ya la ka jong ka kamera terekam ka papura harin bakla adat bante ya ka yeng pakidulan ka balongkum ka slem terekam ka jong ka ba ka jinglot kolong hadu arlo sapulak tingka balate ya kani ha MAWLAI sosor ha ka jaka ka badon kumba 10,000 square feet omtang bakane katnat pulit ha MAWLAI kalayo ya ka jong ka police station henry kalalong ru ka buram ya kinong MAWLAI bakane ka police station kalayo ru saya la ka jong ka traffic department kani ka MAWLAI police station kan ajing syakri ya kisnong MAWLAI balada ken antar kalong ya san hajar nin 10,000 ngut